Oh, this is so cold. Why is it raining?
Yo tengo que renovar mi pasaporte, ya me venció.
Okay, whatever.
$130.
So, hi guys. It's me again, and we're in a loud crew because it's raining and I'm outside. It's a bad idea to do this, but it's worth it. It's raining. It's ruining my tablet right now because I don't have a camera, like I said. We're going to my mom's house right now. I'm with my grandpa and my mom. Say hi. Mommy, say hi. No? Mommy, say hi. Derek.
Hi.
Okay, that's great. This is my grandpa who knows Spanish, not English. But I know Spanish too. But yeah, we're going to my mom's house, like I said again. And it's raining. So I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's raining. But I just want to show you guys. I just want to show you guys like what I do when I'm outside. But I'm just recording this video because I want to in a rainy day. But I want to record a video outside because I haven't. So.
Mira para abajo cuando tú pisas para que no pise esa pupú.
Está bien.
Donde como hierve ahí.
I'm just making a video.
Haciendo video.
So, running all of this now. So, it's mostly.
Dime. Estamos bien. Para la calle. De mi nieto.
Yeah, there's a Toyota. Dang, this is weird. It's like a Toyota. Lauren doesn't get in my grandpa's car. So I didn't even open. Okay, so let's open. So we're in the car right now, and what's wrong with you?
You have no internet. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I do have internet.
No, not anymore.
So?
No internet.
So how you gonna upload that video without internet?
Well, I could upload it, but the problem is when you upload it, you have to wait. So, plus the other one's already uploaded. Oh my god. Now you're gonna have to do my hair tomorrow. No, today actually. Because tomorrow I'm gonna be coming back here. So, yeah. Mommy has so much problems. Talk to her.
I don't have no problem. She's talking to me.
Look at him in the car was retarded. And like what have I done to you? Now we're in the car, guys, and we're going to my mom's house to do my hair. So, we can look outside the view. Even though the view is like raining, but there's no view, just rain. But yeah, you can see it's amazing. But yeah, guys, we're going to my mom's house. We're going to do my hair today, and then we're going to go back to my grandpa's house tomorrow because I live with them. So yeah, everything is good. So yeah, this is like that. That's like a park. And that park used to be where my grandpa run in, you know, his workout. And I used to go there, like, to use my bicycle. It's fun, but I only go like back and forth, and I loved it. One time I did a race with somebody, and I broke a collarbone in my shoulder. So I could do it again because now I'm good. But yeah, I could do it again, but I don't want to. So yeah. I know do next year.
Hace el año entero con el tanque lleno. Pero lo mismo, igual en el otro.
Pero en un grande. Puede haber posibilidad.
Estaba pasando por la
¿Qué?
calle en un camión.
What? Oh my god. So yeah, we can see the raining view outside until we get to my mom's house. Or we can just look in the front, which is gonna be a better.
Kevin, can you leave me alone with that?
I'm not even putting the camera in your face.
Oh, I know you.
I'm just, oh whatever.
Ese.
Oye, está bonito.
Pues es chiquito. Ese va a ser de dos.
Pero, oh, tú dices
De dos vueltas.
de los smart cars. No, esos carritos no me gustan.
De dos chiquiticos. Son así.
Una cajita, ¿no?
Jipetica. Eso no se consigue ver. Jipetica chiquita, pequeña, como así de tamañito.
¿A dónde?
Sí, en lo ven así, a veces, oportunidad. Chiquita, 2006, 2010.
I don't know what
1500, 2500, dependiendo.
but we could play Roblox in on my phone, but not right now. So, yeah. My finger.
¿Y qué juego tiene para el de cuenta?
Yo no sé. Esos 160.
Because he wanted to choose for me and
¿Ella
you.
no lo hace?
Yeah.
Pues dijo que no le han llegado.
Bueno.
This is amazing, guys.
No así,
Look.
mira. Eso es chiquito.
Ajá, sí.
You can see all this beautiful view. Even though it's raining, which
¿Y eso
sucks.
consigue barato?
I want to go to the park with Kat. But he's in the
That's
car,
what they
looking at the
barato.
window. It's amazing. Oh, gosh. Yeah, it's cool.
Y hay una que yo pregunté por empezar a ver. Esa que yo quiero comprar una después.
Chiquita.
No, una Jeep.
Oh, ya.
A Jeep. Oh,
Nueva.
oh guys, this
Eso,
is like
muchacho.
so embarrassing because I don't even know what to do now. I'm just in the car.
Blanco.
Looking at the raining view, like I said later
Yeah,
on.
see,
We're going to my mom's house, do my hair.
18,000.
Coming back tomorrow.
Cuesta esa. Pero hay un
Yeah, I don't know why this video, but it's a good idea because you guys
compran-
can see me
Se la
outside.
arreglan.
So it's
Ellos la
amazing.
compran barata por ahí, por todos esos vainas y tal.
Yeah.
Yo cuando voy, yo voy con un amigo
Keep
mío que él compra
going.
vehículos. Yo voy, él tiene vaina de yo y yo voy. Cuando yo voy a comprar uno, yo me invito a comer para allá. Claro, la consiguen más barata
Más
ya.
barata.
Ellos la consiguen algunos 10 o algo así. Entonces aquí,
It's so weird. Oh my god, my dentine moved around me.
la subasta, tú vas a comprar. Él tiene, uno le da 200 pesos cuando él va.
Ya.
Con ese mismo que está ahí, que tiene ese día ahí, caché, yo voy con caché me dice, ya cuando tú quieras, no tienes que ir conmigo para la subasta, por favor. Y compra muchos vehículos. Con ese tiene mucho, muchos carritos, así mismo 2006, 2000. Mira, ese 2012, 2006, vaya, que le vende ahí mucho. Y la que yo digo está aquí. Esa que está allá, ¿la ven? Está ahí. ¿La ven bien ya? No está ahí todavía, no, ya está. Esa que está allá blanca, atrás.
Oh, ya la vi.
Está
Cuando
allá.
viene la mujer por la sombrilla.
Sí, pero esa está allá.
Allá atrás. Oh, ya.
2013,
Outside view! Oh crap, here comes the window.
2013.
Oh, that's cool.
O sea, yo le llevo dos notas, muchachos.
Well, that's it,
Y la
but
vaina- la
I
vaina
want to
que
do more, but I know what to do. I'm in the car. So.
Yo que no.
Yeah, see you later, guys. And
Como tú le llevas 8 la mitad.